Nalor ki weipat ki santeli ki jakaya kani pot ki banhap hakawat ka baar jong ka Jingiapynbeit pot. Ka Langpih iru kan dai ka wei ni ki jakaya ka ba ka kanhon juki menteri rang ba na ki arjala ka ta jong ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam ki layatai ban sedang no ka Jingiapynbeit pot. Komban syukdaw hang ne ba menta ka sngi ka arp saut rek jemang arjar arpulai. U konrad ke sangma menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya bat u Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Menteri rang ba ke jela Assam harengkat ke Jingiapynbeit langki obesar na baro artli ke jela kila penlong ke Ïakynduh lang hapok state guest house hakana para bannya keren na kebantaban pentelon cakmat ke kawat ke baar jong ke Jingiapynbeit pot kidon reutli ki jakai ke japot ki bakan thop bakan ke kawat ke baar jong ke Jingiapynbeit pot bat kini ki Kynthup ke Langpih kam nongwa mautumur block 1 block 2 bordwar bat ka khanduli Hagte kesngi la shimru ka rai ban tha ki regional committee bakin sedang no ban lum jing tep na ka banta kisnong ki bakan thob akte ka wat ka baar khnang bakin yo ban pha no ka kaipot na ka banta ban mi bnya bat ban shong bisar halor ka te ka kam hagte kesngi na kalyang jing ki menteri rang ba kila pan sngauru halor ki rai bat ki sinjam ya ka ba ka konhon kla shim lingba ka te jingelang
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place, and we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time, and during that process and procedure, we expect that in the month of July we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees, and I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences, and we have asked them to discuss with different officials and the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences.
Look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea, but what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 distribution sites in comparison to the previous 6 months?
Out of these 6 area, we have Langpih, and we have also Khanduli block 1, block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue. And in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult. But as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we have decided to progress. We have decided to go ahead with the spirit of friendship, and we believe that solution will come out, but we don't want to put a time frame.